Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I'm on a mission right now to paint and redo my kitchen. And so this is how it looks. Right now there's a big old mess. And baby's crying over there. So I have done a few, just kind of like here and there because I was like on a pause. I had done like these two and like I just paused with all this. You know, so okay, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I unscrewed them from here, okay, which is these little notches here, and then I just used a screwdriver and I took them down, and then so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip here. As you can see, I have two types of screws. This screw and that screw and that screw. Well, all these are pieces of the cabinet, okay? So what you're gonna do is take them down, put everything in a baggie so they don't get lost, and then you're going to wipe them down. As you can see, I have my paint stuff here. I'm using this paint from Walmart. I forgot which one it was, but I think it's like that one from Walmart. And so I got it in satin and I got it in white. Okay, so then just, you know, your rolls, and then I've noticed that is a perfect size because it gets into like these little like small spaces and stuff, you know. And then, or you can go like this. Okay, but yeah, just kind of like keep going and stuff. And as you can see, everything that you see white, oh, oops, and if you have like a little mistake, it doesn't matter. That's why you got your cleaning rag. Ugh, okay, so whatever, that is okay. I'm gonna go ahead and redo that. Sorry, I'm so sick, you guys. And then as you can see, I decided for I decided that for that part I was just gonna leave it painted all white inside, because like if you can see down here, I do have like these which belong up there, and I wanted you to be able to see them like white, you know. So then these are glass. These are the only ones that have glass, and then I'm going to be putting tape around the corner so that I don't paint this, because yeah. And I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is like, so I have this stack to do. I'm just gonna take off all the little notches, all of these, and then you're gonna get your rag and you're just gonna wipe them clean real good. And then after you wipe them clean, alrighty guys, so quick thing I just wanted to mention, these are laminated cabinets. Means that, you know, that has this little plastic. That's what the laminate is. And so it is pretty, you know, old, and you might experience the same problem, that it's kind of some lifting here. No problem, okay? Just run your finger across the bottom, and whatever you feel that's coming off, take it off. And then like this piece here, just tear it off. Make sure it's smooth before you start doing any painting. So run your finger across on the edge, and then as you can see, I've already taken some off here, and I wiped it down. I wiped all of them down already. So wherever you kind of feel it, just take it off, and then start on your painting. And your guys, just go ahead and paint it like this. And then what I do like about this little brush, that you can get inside the grooves quite easily. Okay, so make sure when you guys are doing your painting, you do have a surface on the bottom so you don't drip. But I'm kind of an experienced painter, I say so myself. Okay, and then just go around, and it goes awesome like on the edges and stuff. It's perfect. These little dips right here. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing this. Put my music on. Alrighty, bye.